Okay, getting ready to take this T-Bird on its last ride. This is my grandpa's car. He bought it in '72. It's a '71 429 Thunderjet. And unfortunately, I thought it'd be fun to drive, but the damn thing is big. And we're gonna drive it out a little ways on the last drive and sell it to a guy, and hate to see it go because it's a part of the family history. Should be a fun kind of nostalgic drive out. We got about a half an hour to drive and get a little video of that. And pretty nice interior, a little bit of wear on the handle here, little seat wear there. Everything else looks pretty good. Pretty nice. I remember sitting back there with Grandpa and Grandma, Eastern Washington. 194,000 original miles, basically one family owned since '72. So howdy.
Hello.
How are you?
You gonna wonder if we were in there?
No, it doesn't matter. We're a little early, and I thought, geez, in case the car breaks down or something, I want to be early. So
Sure.
That,
Sure.
No problem. We're here and we're early.
Looks good. Looks classic.